We are here at Wow Pop Pizza and Chicken on Concession in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. What's your pizza gonna score out of 10? Let's find out. Large cheese pepperoni pizza, super affordable, $11.30. It is a 14-inch pizza. Let's take a look at it. I've seen them have a conveyor belt oven, but this actually smells pretty decent. I'm gonna go for this large slice. It kind of almost looks like Pizza Hut pizza. The cut was not great. It's a little bit thicker. My first instinct is just you're getting some value here. It's getting a little bit of butteriness. You're getting thick. I'm just thinking if I'm in Hamilton and I'm drinking, this will help me get home. As far as the flavors, the butteriness is all right. Let's get a bite right here with the sauce and pep. I'm not liking the look of the cheese. Underneath is these, but $11.30. I'm not expecting high-end Battistoni cup and char pepperoni, high-fat content, mozzarella cheese. I've definitely had worse sauces than this. For 11 bucks, it's decent. For an overall pizza, it's cooked decently well. I don't love pizza as thick as this, but like I said, the purpose of this one, I'm guessing, is a student pizza. 2 students feed on this easily. Easily. I'll give it a 5.1. If I was on a budget and I had a pizza craving, I'd be eating this all day. But around here, there's definitely better options for more money, and that's a review.